Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy AC. I'm here again with another video, 2 days in a row. Actually 3 days in a row. I'm trying to keep it consistent. As you guys know, I was formerly going as Trucker Legend, but I'm out of the truck, so now it's just AC Legend. This page is going to turn into a page that's going to be for entrepreneurs, for families, for couples who are in entrepreneurship, and most importantly, how to leverage your credit, business and personal to be able to scale, grow, start your business. So let's get into it, you guys. Apple credit card hack. Yes, that's right. The Apple credit card hack, how you can go ahead and get the Apple credit card with no hard inquiry on your credit report. Why is this good? Well, for those who are a little bit familiar, you already know that you don't want to have a lot of hard inquiries on your credit report. One, they hurt your credit score. And then two, when you try and go get other funds from different lenders, if you have a lot of inquiries, that's going to be a red flag for them not to approve you. So some of you are watching this video right now. The reason why you're getting so many denials for credit right now is because your inquiries. You have too many inquiries. You look thirsty to the bank. You look desperate. Just think about it, guys. We're going to these banks. We're going to these lenders to borrow money. If they see that we done went to 10 other banks prior to them, they can see, whoa, this person is desperate for this money. They're a higher risk. So getting this card with no hard inquiry is a major benefit for you and the lenders. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing you guys want to do is pull out your iPhone. You're probably watching this video on iPhone. Pull out your iPhone and go into your wallet. Once you go into your wallet, there's going to be a place where you can apply for the Apple credit card. So go ahead and fill out all of your information. And what's going to happen is you're going to get to the last page. You're going to ask you, do you want to submit? Yes, you do want to submit. And once you submit the application, it's either going to approve you or deny you. But guess what? They're not going to pull your credit just yet. So here's what we're going to do. Once we get that approval, well, let's start here. If you get a denial, then you'll just have to try again. There's something going on with your credit. They're going to give you some information about why or what you can do to be able to straighten up your credit so that then you can get an approval, right? So if you get denied, this isn't for you. But if you have decent credit, when I say decent credit, I mean 680 plus credit score, right? No derogatories, no late payments reporting. You have good credit history. You have good credit age, about 4 years on average, and you get approved. Here's what you do next. Don't accept the offer. So during that approval, they're going to say, hey, you got approved for $6,000, right? And then there's going to be another tab up under that is going to say accept it. Now, if you hit accept right then and there, it's going to run your credit and it's going to be a hard pull. So stop what you're doing right there. As soon as they say you've been approved and it shows you your limit, this is what you need to do. Go to TransUnion, right? You can do this online or you can call into TransUnion. You can talk to a rep and say, hey, I would like to put a credit freeze on my report. If you do it online, you can go to TransUnion. You're going to have to create a login with them. And then it's a simple button that just says freeze credit report or freeze profile. All right. So you're going to go ahead and freeze your TransUnion. So that's step number 2. Step number 1, you go ahead, open up your wallet, go to apply for the card, apply, get approved, see your limit, stop right there, go over to TransUnion, go ahead and freeze your TransUnion. Once you freeze your TransUnion, I always wait an hour. Sometimes I tell people wait 24 hours just so you know that the freeze is actually in effect. So once you get the freeze and it's in effect, you actually won't be made aware of it. It's supposed to happen instantly, but I like just giving it a little bit of time. So it usually works. Like I said, 1 hour is fine. I allow 1 hour to pass, and I pull up that application back on my phone inside of my wallet that says that I've been approved for this credit limit. And now that I have that freeze on there, I go ahead and I accept it. Now, what's going to happen is there's not going to be any hard inquiry because your TransUnion is froze. Now, had the TransUnion not been froze, then that hard inquiry would then happen at that moment. But since we went ahead and we froze it, right, there's going to be no hard inquiry. Now, do this. Leave that credit freeze on TransUnion on there for at least 1 day, because we don't want them to go back within that 24-hour period to try and pull and do a hard pull. In fact, if you're not in no rush to get any other credit lines or credit limits, I would say leave it on there for 72 hours. Leave the credit freeze for 72 hours. Then after that, you can go ahead and take the credit freeze off. And guess what? You just got to prove for the Apple Card, no hard inquiry. Go ahead, run this play. Drop comments on your success stories and your failures. Hey, if you failed to get this card because your credit isn't strong enough, you can always look. I'm gonna drop it in the bio and in the description. We can do a free credit consultation so that I can help best assist you, so that we can stop getting these denials and we can get more approvals. So I'm gonna make sure that I leave that link in the bio, and I'm also gonna leave the link to be able to go ahead and apply for the Apple credit card. Yo, this is AC Legend. I'm back at it. Hope y'all enjoy. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure you like, you leave your comments. Help me out, because I'm really trying to boost this page up so that I can bring as much value to the community as possible. Yo, I'll see you guys in the next one. Go ahead and run that play. Let me know your success. Follow me on Instagram at AC_the legend. And let's get it. Be blessed.